Boys and girls, write your first name, last name, and date on this line. Word work. Answer the questions about vocabulary words from your issue of Scholastic News. Question 1. Segregation is when people are blank. Is it when they are kept separate from one another, put together onto teams, or work together to reach a goal? What does segregation mean? Use your Scholastic News. Question 2. What are 3 things people did during their marches to change unfair laws? Look in your Scholastic News for 3 things and write 1 thing on each line. Question 3. Which of these words is similar to the word role? Job, responsibility, or job and responsibility? Look back in your Scholastic News for what role means, and is it similar to job, similar to responsibility, or similar to both job and responsibility? Think about your role as a student. List 3 things you do in order to do a good job in this role. List those 3 things on these 3 lines.